So this week I got groceries at Hy-Vee, which I don't normally get all of my groceries there, but it was just convenient. Does tend to be a little bit pricier, but I was there and I wanted to get it done, so I went ahead and got them all from there. So I got some green leaf lettuce. This I'll wash up and use for salads. I got some bananas and some sweet corn. We're gonna grill out tonight, so I thought that would be good. I got a mini seedless watermelon. They had mangoes on sale for 89 cents, so I got 2 of those. I got some lemons, some apples, and some peaches. And then I also got a package of the little cherry tomatoes or grape tomatoes. I got some limes, and then I got some shredded lettuce to use for tacos this week. Their radishes were on sale for, I think, 75 cents, and so I got a bunch of these. I'll have to cut them up and wash them and put them in like snack boxes this week. I got a seedless cucumber and some flat leaf parsley, a green pepper, a red pepper, and some cherries, which tend to be a little bit expensive, but they were the first of the season, so I got those. I got 2 containers of blueberries and a container of raspberries. So that was all the produce I got, kind of a lot. They had ketchup on sale, so I picked up one of those to put in the pantry. We were also almost out of salsa, so I got some of the Chi-Chi's restaurant style medium. They had this organic pasta on sale, and so I picked up a bag of this, the rigatoni. They had this cheese on sample. It was the mature Gouda cheese, and it was really good, so I picked up some of that to use. Some sharp cheddar shredded cheese, and then I got 2 blocks of cheese. I got just a regular sharp cheddar and a white sharp cheddar. I got some bacon just to have in the fridge because it was on sale. And then some turkey pepperoni. The kids like these for lunches and snacks. Sour cream was on sale, so I got 2 containers of those, a container of cottage cheese, and then a package of flour tortillas to use for wraps. I got some applesauce for the kids, the strawberry mozz, and then 2 packages of fruit snacks, 1 Fruit by the Foot and 1 Gushers. We were all out of flavoring for water, so I got one of the Crystal Light strawberry lemonade. And then I also got a Mio mango peach and a Mio strawberry watermelon. Adam likes to take those to work. I got a pound of double smoked ham. This is my favorite hummus. It's locally made in Iowa City. It's a little bit pricey, but it's worth it. I think it's about $8 for this container, so I got that for snacks and lunches. I was wanting to get some brats for supper tonight, so I went ahead and got 4 of the pineapple bratwurst. And then we were almost out of eggs, so I got a dozen of the brown eggs. I saw a recipe for tuna and white bean salad that I wanted to try, so I got a can of white beans, and then one night I'm going to make meatloaf, so I got 2 boxes of scalloped potatoes. These probably aren't the healthiest, but I haven't had them in a long time, so I thought they sounded good. I got just 1 box of Kraft macaroni and cheese, and then they had a ton of yogurt on sale, so I picked up a lot of that. I got some of these Fage Total. This has the fruit that you can stir in with it, so I got 2 of those, and then 1 of the plain. Chobani was on sale also, so I got a lemon, an orange, a vanilla and cinnamon, and a blueberry. And then they also had the Chobani flips on sale for $1, so I got 6 of these. I got a peach, strawberry rhubarb, tropical daybreak, cookies and cream, s'mores, and mint chocolate chips. So the kids like to eat those, and I like to take them to work also. I got some K-Cups for the coffee maker, and then I also got 2 packs of the V8 Energy Peach Mango. I got the kids some Capri Sun Roaring Waters, and then Adam was out of coffee creamer, so I got him some of the sugar-free French vanilla. And then I just got some orange juice and some milk, and the only other things that I got were just some soda and some beer, which are out in the garage fridge, so I'm not going to show you those. But now I will show you my meal plan for the week. All right, so for dinners this week, today is Sunday. I just put some chicken in some marinade. It's about 10 o'clock in the morning. So that will sit there until supper time, and we're going to grill that with some brats. And then I also am going to make some pasta salad and then maybe a garden salad. I also got that corn on the cob, so we can have that as well. Tomorrow I'm planning on making some baked salmon or grilled salmon along with some shrimp skewers. Actually, that reminds me, I didn't show you the frozen stuff. Just a second. So I forgot to show the frozen stuff. I got some chocolate chip waffles. These were on sale for 99 cents, so that's a really good deal. And then I got a package of this frozen shrimp. This is my favorite brand that they have at Hy-Vee. And then a bag of peas for dinner this week. So yes, tomorrow we're going to have salmon and shrimp. Probably I'll put the shrimp on some skewers and grill them, and I'm going to make baked potatoes and peas. And then on Tuesday I'm going to make taco meat in the Instant Pot with chips and salsa and fruit. And then Wednesday I'm going to make some meatloaf with those scalloped potatoes, and I have some green beans in the cupboard. And then Thursday I'm just going to leave open for leftovers or sandwiches, and then Friday night we always have pizza night. So that is our meal plan for the week. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
Whenever your heart is broken.